Hello and good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to solve this coordinate geometry question, which is from IIT JEE 2023 mains examination. So let's take the key concept used in this question. I am going to give you a brief explanation about those concepts and give you the complete solution of this question. So let's understand this question. The question is saying the straight line L1 and L2 pass through origin and trisect the line segment L 9x plus 5y is equal to 45 with the axis. Okay, so there is this line capital L 9x plus 5y is equal to 45. Okay, so this line is drawn on coordinate axis. So let's draw this. So to draw this line on coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, let's split it in intercept form. So to split it in intercept form, we will divide the whole equation by 45. So 9x plus 45 plus 5y upon 45 is equal to 1. Now on solving, we will get 9 upon 5 plus y upon 9 is equal to 1. So now this is the intercept form of the equation. So we already know in intercept form of the equation, x upon something is intercept of x-axis and y upon something is intercept of y-axis. So take these intercept 5 and 9 on x and y-axis respectively. We will get x-axis intercept, if this is the origin having 0, 0 as its coordinate, the intercept of this point will be 5 and coordinate will be 5, 0 as the coordinate of y coordinate of x-axis is 0. Similarly on the y-axis, y-intercept will be 9 and x coordinate will be 0. So this point will be 9, 0. Now from these 2 points, we can draw the equation of line which is the L line. So this is x and so 5 and 9 are x-axis and y-axis intercept. 5, 0 is coordinate of this point and 0, 9 is coordinate of it. Now there are 2 other lines L1 and L2 which are intersecting the intercept between these 2 x and y axis, and this is trisecting. So if we try to draw this line L1 and line L2, since these 2 lines are passing through origin and having slope m1 and m2. Okay, so line L1 has slope m1 and the line L2 has slope m2. So and these lines are passing through origin. So equation of these 2 lines L1 and L2 in the form of slope can be written as y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x. This we already know. The general form of straight line with slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Since these are passing through origin, the c intercept will be equal to 0. So equation will be y is equal to m1x and now let's read question. If m1 and m2 are the slope of these lines L1 and L2, so m1 and m2 are already given in the question, which are the slopes of line L1 and L2, and the point of intersection of this line y is equal to m1 plus m2x. So point of intersection of this line with line L. This we have to find. The intersection point of these 2 lines lies on which of the following lines. Okay, so this we have to find. So to find the intersection point, first we have to find the value of m1 and m2. And m1 and m2 values can be found by the given fact that L1 and L2 are trisecting the intercept. So if we take these points A, B, C, D, then by the fact that the intercept is being trisected means AB equal to BC must be equal to CD. So if AB is 1 unit, then BC will be 1 unit, CD will be 1 unit. Then we can find the ratio of AB is to BD. So ratio of AB is to BD will be equal to 1:2. Similarly, we can find the ratio of AC is to CD. So AC is to CD ratio will be equal to 2:1. Now why we have find these ratios? So we have find these ratios to calculate the coordinate of point B and coordinate of point C. So that is the ultimate thing in this question, to find the coordinate of point B and coordinate of point C. Now if we have, suppose we have find the coordinate of point B and coordinate of point C, then we can easily find the slope m1 and m2, which is our ultimate goal to find in this question. So now let's remember, we have studied section formula in 10th examination, which says if AB is a line having coordinate x1 y1, x2 y2, then an arbitrary point P coordinate x comma y, if P is intersecting the line AB in m ratio n, then x can be written as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this section formula we have to use here to find the coordinate of point B and coordinate of point C, because the ratio of AB is to BD and AC is to CD we have already calculated. So now let's use this section formula and find the coordinate of point B and coordinate of C. So let's take the coordinate of point B alpha comma beta. Then alpha can be written as 1 into 5 plus 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2, and beta can be written as 1 into 0 plus 2 into 9 upon 1 plus 2. So alpha will be equal to 5 upon 3 and beta will be equal to 18/3, that is 6. So coordinate of point B alpha comma beta is 5/3, 6. Similarly, using the section formula, we will find the coordinate of point C, and coordinate of point C will be find using the ratio AC is to CD. Okay, so coordinate of point C, let's take h comma k. So h comma k are the coordinate of point C. So h is equal to again 1 into 5 plus 0 into 9 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1, and k will be equal to, and coordinate of point k will be equal to, sorry, this will be equal to 2 into 5 and 0 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 9 upon 2 plus 1. So this will be equal to 10/3 and this will be equal to 9/3, which is 3. So coordinate of point C h comma k comes out to be 10/3. So now we have find the coordinate of point B and C. Now remember how to find the, recall how to find the slope using coordinate of 2 points. So slope m1 will be equal to, use this formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So for the line L1 we can write beta minus 0 upon alpha minus 0. So m1 is equal to beta upon alpha. Beta we have already find 6 upon 5/3, that will be 18 upon 5. Similarly, m2 can be find by using the same formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this will be equal to k minus 0 upon h minus 0, that is k upon h, and value of k can be we have find the values of m1 and m2, we can easily write the equation of line m1 plus m2x. So m1 plus m2x can be written as 18 upon 5 plus 9 upon 10 times of x. Y is equal to, this is, solve this equation. So this will be 36 upon 10, 45 upon 10 x. This is the equation. Let's make this equation as equation 1. Now we have to find the intersection of this line 1 with the line capital L. So let's write capital L is 9x plus 5y is equal to 45. This line is solved this y is equal to 9 5 9 45 upon 2x. Put the value of y in equation 9. We will get 9x plus 5 into 9 upon 2x is equal to 45. And here we get 9x plus 45 by 2x is equal to 45. 9 to the 80 is x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 upon 60. X is equal to 10 upon 9 and 7. X is equal to 10 by 7. Now put this value of x in this line y is equal to 9 by 2 into 10 upon 7. So y coordinate will be 45. Intersection of this line and y is equal to m2 x generates the intersection point 10 by 7 comma 40 by 7. Now we have to find? We have to find this point lies on which of the following lines. So to check, we have to put these coordinates of x and y in A, B, C, D, 1 by 1. So you can put these coordinates in which all these questions. So since I already know the answer, so I am putting this in option C, which is y minus x is equal to 5. So y is nothing but 45 upon 7 minus 10 upon 7. So this will generate 35 upon 7, which is 5, which is 5. So option C is the correct answer. So my message is, solve the IIT-JEE previous year exam question in such a way that each and every concept of your chapter related to that question is crystal clear, and that is the way of solving previous year IIT-JEE question. So hope you all have got the complete solution of this question.